Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, I'll show you everything I ate in the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. I am back on my weight loss macros, so these meals are set at my actual macro levels. There were a couple of days that I didn't quite get it right, but for the most part, this was pretty good for weight loss. So you'll see the things that I ate, and you can get some ideas for your own weight loss journey. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of What to Eat Wednesday. This is my typical breakfast that I am having today. 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of pizza blend shredded cheese. Yes, I do count the extra carbs for the shredded cheese. 40 grams of center cut bacon and 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer. And this is the Mio that I'm using today. And I just use it for flavoring. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Wednesday night, and I am charging my own dinner tonight, so I made a 6-ounce sirloin steak, 1 cup exactly of cauliflower with 2 ounces of cheddar cheese. And that is going to be my last meal of the day, and that puts me for macros at 119 protein, 76 fat, and 9 net carbs for the day. All right, here I am at Commonwealth School. I forgot to bring plates, but this is what I'm going to eat. I have 2 boiled eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon. This is 1.5 ounces of provolone cheese and 3/4 of a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with, I don't remember which Mio. I think it's pomegranate. I don't know where I put it. Berry pomegranate, yeah. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, here I am at the dance studio, and I did not feel like driving clear up to Carl's Jr. to get a burger, so this is what I'm having because I could count the macros on this stuff. So I'm having salami and cheddar cheese, Blue Diamond almonds, 1 Jack Link's beef steak stick, and a Quest protein cookie. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Saturday, everyone! This is what I'm having for my first meal of the day. 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of pizza blend, cheese fried in a pan, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alright, everyone, it is Saturday night. I did not do the best job tracking everything today, and for dinner I am sort of tracking half of it. So I have 4 chicken legs and a little bit of Frank's Red Hots and a tablespoon of ranch dressing. And then for my salad, I have a bunch of lettuce. I didn't measure it. I didn't measure my bell pepper. It's a half a bell pepper, and it's a half an ounce of cheese and 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing. That's going to be my last meal of the day. Good Sunday morning, everyone. It is a chilly fall morning, and I am having my typical breakfast. 40 ounces of center cut bacon. This is 1 ounce of pizza blend cheese fried in a pan, 2 fried eggs, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio. And then this morning, because it's chilly, I am having a cup of Creo Brew. I used to talk about this all the time last fall. Creo Brew is one of my favorite drinks. It has 1.5 carbs per serving, so keep that in mind. But it's roasted cocoa beans, and I just put in a little stevia and half, and it makes a lovely fall drink. All right, so I'm having homemade dinner. This is turkey breast and legs, and salad with homemade ranch dressing. Happy Monday night, everyone. I am having 5 ounces of chicken breast with 2 ounces of the pizza cheese, 1/2 cup of Rao's marinara, over 155 grams of zucchini noodles, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello, everyone. It's Wednesday. I'm having the same thing for breakfast that I do every day. 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of pizza cheese fried in a pan, and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Tuesday night, and I am having chicken fajitas. So I have a cup of lettuce and a half of a bell pepper, 60 grams of tomatoes, 1 package of holy guacamole, 4 tablespoons of light sour cream, 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. And that is going to be my last meal of the day and the last meal of this video. And there you have it, everything I ate in the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that you guys got some great ideas. Don't forget to join our Facebook group for support and more ideas on how you can start your own weight loss journey. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.